So we're going to start with some butter.
That seems like a lot of butter. Oh, we only using a little.
I was concerned.
I said it was going to be green butter pie.
Only a little.
My foodie loves, Arlene is back in the kitchen and today it's all about green fig pie. So let's get baking. Guys, you know I'm always super excited when Arlene comes to the kitchen because it's always something so delicious and so hearty.
I'm always happy to be here.
And we're doing a special dish today, a little green fig pie.
Green fig pie.
Green fig or
Green banana.
just for those of us who don't refer to it as fig, it's also banana. So green banana pie.
Yes.
With green fig pie.
Green fig pie.
So how we starting?
Well, I was a little excited, so I already boiled my green fig
Yeah.
bananas and I peeled them.
I realized you didn't leave anything for me to do.
I left one thing for you to do right there.
One lonely member. So you said you boil these, right?
Right, so large pot, you put the green fig in, put a little bit of oil, and you boil it until your knife runs through very easily.
Like soup.
And then you cut a little slit on the back of the green fig,
Right.
and the peel comes off really easy.
Okay.
And for this recipe, we're just slicing them up, see, just like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Easy peasy.
easy peasy.
Okay.
Right.
So fig out of the way. What's next?
All right, so I like to saute everything before I bake it. I
Okay.
think this brings out a really good flavor in everything.
Okay.
Gives you a chance to kind of season up the green fig,
Yeah.
you know?
All right.
So
So
let's
let me
put
move this for you.
aside.
Good, good, good.
Right. So we're going to start with some butter.
That seems like a lot of butter. Oh, we only using a little.
I was concerned.
I said it was going to be green butter pie.
Only a little. It's only a little.
Alrighty.
Right. So once the butter goes in and it melts, you don't even have to wait for it to melt. You can just go.
Usual
we're gonna
aromatics.
Yes. A little bit of onions. Right. And we just dice the onions up.
Yeah.
And we cook them down here. Garlic, of course.
It's a must by now.
A little pimento.
Sure.
You're getting very good at assisting.
Yes, I know. I'm so good at passing you things, Arlene. You need me.
Yes. So I want to add a little more butter to this. Yeah, just because you want it nice and moist and you want to give it something to cook in.
Okay. So you're kind of playing it by ear.
Yes.
Got
And you know how I like to season up as I go along.
Yes.
So
Very
I'm going
important.
to do a little salt and a little pepper here, a little black pepper. And you're just going to let this saute until the onions are a little clear.
Okay.
Right. So that is going to, that's probably like 2-3 minutes. This doesn't take long. And this is a very easy dish.
I realize. I feel like it's just a one and done. We
It
go in
is.
from the bowls to the pot
It
and then to the
is.
oven.
And it's a really good side dish. And for me, sometimes when you make like a whole spread
Yeah.
and any pie,
Yeah.
then I always like to get a little piece of pie and whatever meat that you make.
Yeah. This is a kind of Sunday lunch finish we have going on here.
Yes, I think it's a good substitute. Sometimes when you could do provision pie.
Yeah.
Yes, but this, you know, and green fig relatively cheap. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like most people have like a fig tree in their backyard.
Yes. Well, the reason
Have
why I
to.
hesitate on the price is because of that. Because
Yeah.
you know,
The fig is free.
yeah, I can't tell you the last time I buy.
Me either.
something
We
fig.
have 2 trees in the backyard and it's figs for you and figs for all the neighbors
Yes.
at the same time.
Right, so now to this I want to add my peas and
carrots.
carrots. This is for a little color, a little vegetable in the
Okay.
mix.
And that's the only veg we really have going in here beside our actual fruit, which is the banana.
Correct. So once we saute this up, and again, everything here that we saute is going to just add flavor.
Okay.
Right? Although the most important flavor here for me is cheese.
I don't know if I've seen enough cheese, but we'll get to that when it's time to get to that, okay? We'll get there.
Yes, cheese is my favorite. Right, so once this cooks up a little bit,
Yeah.
then you can add your green fig.
And now the figs are already boiled, so they're already cooked.
Now you don't want to boil them too soft because
Right.
remember it's going back into the oven and
Yeah.
you're going to be cooking it again.
So we don't
just
want a mush
cool.
pie.
No. One of the reasons why I prefer to do it like this is because I find that you get a better texture than
Okay.
when you mash the
Right.
banana.
Okay.
Right? And you want to mix everything here thoroughly. Right, and I'm going to season again. It's a little salt. So this
Every
is just
step.
for the green fig.
Okay.
Green banana.
We're sticking with fig going forward, guys. Green fig,
Green fig.
Green fig.
All right, because they know what we're talking about.
Yeah,
now,
for
right?
sure.
Right. And this I'm doing on a medium heater.
Okay.
Now, once the green fig starts to get a little soft here,
Right.
you're ready to add the rest of the stuff and put
Okay.
it into your dish.
Okay, no problem. So
Alright.
we're going in with all these other guys over here.
Yep.
Let me
in
make some
about
space
2
as
minutes.
well for our dish.
Yes.
Right.
All right. So you know anything about green fig? Any fun facts?
I know that it's good to eat. It tastes nice. Is that a fun fact? No, I don't know anything about dietary stuff with green fig, you know.
Iron.
Oh, it's rich in iron?
Rich in iron, yes.
There you go, guys. Eat your green fig. Get your iron.
Yes.
I had no clue.
Right, so if you have a look here, you will see the edges kind of get a little soft.
Yes.
Right? And you can just poke it, you'll see. It will just start crushing, but again, remember we don't want mush.
Yeah.
Right?
So we're trying to keep the integrity of the fig.
Yes, so now we're going to add some of our evaporated milk.
Right.
Give it a little stir. We can add some cheese. So I'm going to use all right now.
You're saving some.
to go on the top. You know that cheesy crust that we like on top of pie? That's
I
the
get
one.
you. I mean, I feel like we're gonna have a little more cheese, you know.
We'll determine that after.
Okay.
Because some people hesitate on cheese and fig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could get you, but for me, next time, you know, just bring the whole block of cheese. It's fine.
And you know, I like to tell people make dishes your own. If you like more cheese, put more cheese. If you want,
Who doesn't like more cheese?
I know.
We like more cheese.
Okay, so once the cheese and the milk is fully incorporated and melted
Yeah.
here, right, I remove this from the heat. Take this off.
And now we're into our dish.
Well, wait. Now we have our garnish,
Oh,
which is
oh,
some
oh.
parsley.
I'm so sorry.
Fresh parsley at the end.
And that's good color as well.
Yes.
Ooh, vibrant.
And we give that one mix. Okay. And of course, our dish is
Already greased.
greased.
Correct.
So I am going to pour and you are going
Sure.
to scrape.
No problem.
Ready?
I'm ready for you.
All right.
Arlene, I know you're strong, but I feel like my pot's shaking.
You know I'm strong.
I'm assuming you're
These
strong.
puny hands. Struggling to hold up this one pot here.
All right, okay. Let me relieve you. Sorry. I just try not to miss anything. There we go.
All right.
There we go.
Right, so of course you know what you're doing, man. You don't
Come
even
on,
need me
come
to tell
on.
you. You don't even need me
Listen,
to
I
tell
remember this from what other recipe were we making? That you were giving me tips on smoothing things out.
Cool.
Was it cuckoo? It was cuckoo. Guys, check out our cuckoo recipe. Since
Another
today.
good side dish. Eh?
Since today, definitely.
Yeah, another good side.
And right on par with green fig. Thank you.
Right, and you sprinkle your cheese.
Of course. Right, maybe we have just enough cheese. Maybe we have just enough. I didn't realize.
Right.
I
And of
judged
course
you
could,
too
you could
early.
put a little parsley on top of this if you want a little zhuzh on the pie.
Are we making this fancy?
Of course. I'm Caribbean fancy, you know, I believe in it.
Correct is right. Correct is right. All right, so we're all cheesed up.
Right.
And now we have to hit this with the parsley and then we're going into the oven
Yes.
for...
Give me a nice high.
I'm
high
sorry, I'm
sprinkle.
sorry. I'm sorry.
You have
And
to put
the sprinkles. Guys, you know my sprinkle is a mess. It's okay.
those sprinkles, those look about like droplets.
Well, I tried. Hey.
Confidence.
Please, thank you.
All right.
I was a little, you know, I didn't want to overwhelm you. How long are we setting this guy in the oven for?
So we're in there for 30 minutes.
Okay, what temperature?
350.
All right, let's set this guy in. Fresh out of the oven and very pretty, I must say. The parsley that I sprinkled so well.
If it wasn't for that sprinkle, this would be nothing. Absolutely
I'm
nothing.
saying.
We'd have to get rid of the whole thing.
You're welcome. No, but this is lovely. And what I love about this the most is, I don't know if you guys could see, but you see the integrity that's in this pie. It's a proper pie. This is not a mushy, fall apart, fall down green fig pie. And that's because you slice the figs
Yes.
and left them like that.
I think in terms of the final look of the dish,
Yeah.
I think when you slice it, you get a better color.
Agreed.
And of course, I added the peas and the carrots for additional colors. You know, we always want something colorful and nice.
Yes.
Yes.
It looks good, but how does it taste?
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. There's a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
I love when you come over. I love it so much. Fantastic. Not too cheesy, even though I wanted more cheese. It's
But remember,
perfect.
that is optional. You
Of
can
course.
put as much cheese as you like.
A nice bite from those figs again. Of course, again, that parsley all over the place. This is a winning dish. This is a winning dish, guys. A winning dish.
What would you serve this with?
I feel like it could get hit with a little pigeon peas maybe on the side and some stew chicken. Some stew fish even.
Yeah.
Green fig pie and fish. What do you guys eat your green fig pie with? Let us know in the comments. Tell us what's gonna go along with this dish, unless you're gonna eat it alone. What about alone?
Alone is good.
Yeah, because we didn't prepare anything else with this one, so we're gonna have to eat it alone. Thank you very much, Arlene.
You're
It is
very
always
welcome.
a pleasure. Guys, don't forget to tell us in the comments what you eat with your green fig. And until next time, of course, bye-bye.
Bye.